Hi, everybody. Today I'm going to talk about what I do in a typical week. Let's go. I usually wake up early in the morning, but it depends. If it's Monday through Friday, I wake up around 6 a.m. because I have to get ready for work. But on the weekends, I can sleep a little later. Like today is Saturday, and I woke up at 7 a.m. First thing I do when I wake up is open the curtains and check my phone. After that, I get out of bed and make my bed. Then I go to the bathroom and brush my teeth, take a shower, wash my face, and comb my hair. When I finish getting ready, I go downstairs and take care of my dog. First, I give him food and water, then I play with him a little bit. And finally, we go for a walk. After I drop my dog off at home, I get in my car and drive to work. Today, I'm driving to work because tomorrow I'm taking the bus. I always change my routine a little bit. I never do the same thing every day. On the way, I listen to music. I really like listening to music while I'm driving. It makes my day better. When I get to work, I park my car, say hi to my coworkers, and get started. At work, I'm a teacher. I teach young people who are learning English. I love my job because every day is different. I also like my students. They're very motivated and always try their best. I have classes from Monday through Friday, so on the weekends I'm free. I usually have classes from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m., so when I get home it's almost dark. When my wife comes home from work, we play with our dog, and then we eat dinner together. So we usually eat dinner at 8 p.m. Sometimes we cook together, but most of the time my wife cooks. I help a little bit, but I'm not good at cooking. I'm more of a meat and potatoes kind of guy. I like simple food. After dinner, we relax a little bit and watch TV. Sometimes I read a book or listen to music, but most of the time I just watch TV. My dog always sleeps at my feet when I'm watching TV. It's so cute. I like watching documentaries on Netflix. My wife likes watching series, so we always have to choose something we both like. Most of the time we watch series. On the weekends, we usually get up early and go for a walk in the park. This park is very close to our house. We love going there on the weekends. We met at this park. It's a very special place for us. My wife likes walking in the park because she enjoys nature. She likes looking at the birds, trees, and flowers. Sometimes we sit on a bench and just enjoy the view. On Saturday, we went to the supermarket. We have to buy some things for my mom. My mom is coming to visit us next week, so we have to be prepared. At the supermarket, we saw our friends, Maria and Carlos. We were very happy to see them. We invited them to come over for dinner on Saturday. They accepted, so now we have to prepare more food. We bought a lot of food. Now our trunk is full. On Sunday, I usually sleep late. Saturday, I woke up at 7 a.m., but on Sundays, I sleep until 8 or 9. After I wake up, I'll get ready and then go to the kitchen to have breakfast. Usually on Sunday, we have a late breakfast. We don't get up early. We always have breakfast together on Sundays. It's our favorite meal of the day. We enjoy it a lot. My wife likes visiting different places, so we usually go somewhere far away. Last week, we went to another city. This week, we're going to go to a nearby town. There's a big mall there, and we want to go check it out. In the afternoon, we usually go to the dog park. Our dog loves going there. He can play with other dogs and run around. It's a great place. They have a lake there, and the dogs can swim. It's really cool. Then we go home and rest a little bit. Around 6, we start getting ready to cook dinner. My wife likes trying new recipes, so we always have to follow different recipes on YouTube. I help her by washing the vegetables and preparing the ingredients. Sometimes I chop the onion, but I'm not very good at it. Usually my hands are full of onion juice and it smells bad. While dinner is cooking, we watch TV and wait for our food to be ready. When dinner is ready, we eat together and then we watch TV until bedtime. This is my daily routine. Do you have a routine like mine? What do you do on the weekends? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe. See you next time.